Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this plate light bulb in this 2011 Ford Explorer. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Just going to take a straight blade screwdriver, and over on this side there's a little latch right here. Push the latch in. We can take this assembly out. Just going to twist it to the left. Grab the bulb, pull it out. Take the new bulb, line it up with the slot. Make sure it goes in there good. There we go. I'll take the lens, slide it back on, twist it to the right. Line this up here and snap it back in place. And now the bulb is working perfectly fine.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.